Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Bluesky. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go and open Play Store and go and search for Bluesky and download it on your phone. And once you download it, you should click on open. Then now you will have to sign up. So now I'm gonna click on create an account. You should also choose the language from here down below. I'll click on create account. In here I should enter the email, password, and date of birth. And after that, click on next. And now here you should type the desired username. I'm gonna name it Zane Zone, for example. Then click on next. And now after that, you'll have to make sure that you are not a robot. Now I have verified that I am a human. And now you'll have to set up your profile. But here in my case, I'll just click on continue. And now you'll have to choose your interests. I'm gonna choose here animals, books, pets, nature, tech, sports. Then click on science and click on continue. Click on let's go, and here you are. You have now set up the email of yours. Now once you open the application, here you will find on the top two options, discover and following. In the following section you will find all the posts of people that you follow, and in the discover section you will find some random posts from different people. It is totally just like X or Twitter. And now when I scroll to the left, I will find here some sections like search, home, chat, notifications, feeds, lists, profile, and settings. When I click on search, you can use it in order to search for anything that you need. Let's say that I'm gonna search for cats. And now here, as you can see, I have some videos about cats. And now let's go back. Click on home. This is the home page where you will find discover and following. And here you have the chat. You can see here anyone that you are chatting with. And when I go back and click on notifications, you can also see the notifications here in this section, and also the mentions. Here it will show all the notifications, including the replies, new posts from followers, and here you will only find the mentions. Now let's go back to the important thing, which is the settings. Here you can actually sign out by clicking on sign out, or you can simply click on account, then delete the account or deactivate it or freeze it if you need to do that. You can also change the email, verify your email, add birthday, or change the password from this section. And here you will find more other options, including the appearance. How do you like the appearance of your account, appearance of the application? You have some modes here. You can also go back. I'm gonna go to home, and now let's discover other things like the top right hashtag sign right here. When you click on it, it will show the feeds that you have saved from the discover or from the following section. You can also do any edits to this page right here. You can also add some in the science section right here. You can just click on this plus sign in order to add some feeds, and you can do also some edits by clicking on this cogwheel icon on the top right corner if you want to rearrange the appearance of them. And after finishing, you should just click on save right here. And now let's go back. You can also search for feeds. As you can see right here, I have following, discover, and science. Now let's say that you want to post a specific thing. All you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here, and now it will ask you for confirmation. Just click on send confirmation, and now you'll have to enter the code right here in order to confirm your email. So now I'm gonna paste the confirmation code right here, then click on confirm, then click on close, and now you can add anything. Let's say that I'm gonna type hello everyone, for example. You can type anything, but you need to know that you have limited letters down below right here. You can also add a photo. Just give it the permission, click on allow. As you can see, you can take a photo, or you can simply try to add a photo from your gallery like this one right here. And you can add GIFs, or even add some mentions, or create another post, and you can post them at once, or you can simply post one by one. And you can also change the visibility by clicking on this button right here. Then choose whether you want everybody to see this post or just need specific people, mentioned users or followed users, etc. Then after you finish, click on save, then click on post right here. Now once you click on post, it will be uploaded to your own posts, and you can also see it in your profile. If you want to cancel, you can simply click on cancel in order to cancel the post. Now down below right here, you will find other options or other shortcuts. This shortcut here for the home, this one for the search. You can search for anything you want. And here for the chat, this one. And this one is for notifications. And finally, this one is your profile. Here you will find all the things that you have added. You can find your posts, replies, media, likes, feeds, starter packs, and finally lists. You can also click on edit profile if you want to edit the display name. So I'm gonna name it Zain Zune description, a video editor, for example. Then click on save. And here I have my own profile. I can also add a photo if I need to do that. And when you click on these three horizontal lines, you can simply share your profile to anyone. And when you go back to the home page, you can also like any post by clicking on this icon right here, this heart icon, and you can repost it by clicking on this icon. Click on repost. You can also write a comment or reply by clicking on this sign right here or this icon and simply type anything. Type great, for example, then click on reply. And of course, every activity you do will be displayed just right here in your profile. As I showed you before, you will find the replies, the media, likes, feeds, etc. And if you want to do more options to this post, you can simply click on these three horizontal lines right here just below the post, and you can report the post, block the account, or hide this post for yourself, or even translate it or share the post. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.